Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Right now in this tutorial, I'm going to show you on how you can actually mine cryptocurrency on your phone, simply using the Telegram. Now we're going to be using a mini app. As you can see, I've been making lots of tutorials. In this particular tutorial, I was able to mine about 6,000 USDT, and I mined this for free. Also, this particular mini app, I'm also going to show you. This particular Telegram app, I'm also going to show you. You can also use it and earn lots of taxes. However, we had an issue, and the issue we actually had on this app is that it didn't allow us to withdraw a huge amount. Like the only amount we could withdraw previously on it was about 0.001 BNB. But right here in this tutorial, I'm going to show you on how you can increase your limit to withdraw up to 1 BNB. Yes, there are certain boosters in place that you can actually get that will enable you increase your limit. So right now, let us get into it. So right now, if you need the link to this boost, the username is down in description, or simply head over to Telegram and search for the username machine/official/boot, and you get into it. Okay, so right now we are into the boot. As you can see, obviously the first thing it always pops up is the daily check-in. I've not actually been keeping up with this daily check-in. The daily check-in is actually means whereby you claim every single day, and also at the end of 30 days you win 1 BNB. This is a good and free offer you guys can try. However, I'm not interested in it. I've been able to earn lots and lots of mark for myself. I have about 2 MB BNB right here, and I have about 1 million mark right here, and I earn this basically from mining right here. If you head over to my miners and you head over to my view mining history, as you can see, I've had a lots and lots of miners. Previously, they have been actively mining for me, and I have been earning and enjoying some profit for myself. If you open right here, you'll see some of the profit these miners were actually mining for me every single day. So this is how it is, guys. This is how I have been earning for myself. So right now, as you can see, I've earned about 6,000 USDT. Now, previously, if you wanted to withdraw from this particular platform, if you wanted to withdraw from it, it will actually restrict you until you can only withdraw about 0.001 BNB, probably because you're a new user or something like that. However, I'm going to show you on how you can increase your limit. Now, there is a new feature in place, which is the store, and you can basically increase your limit. You can increase your limit to about 0.1 BNB and withdraw up to a maximum of 0.1 BNB. You can increase it to about 0.01 BNB. Now, please take note that this is a time booster, meaning that after 1 hour, your limit will also reset. There are other boosters you can have, the 2x boosters. For example, there are lots of taxes you can complete right here that will earn you some free rewards. And simply using this particular 2x booster, which is right here, these taxes will actually multiply your earnings, so you tend to earn 2 times what you're supposed to earn. So right now, as you can see, I already have about the 0.1 BNB booster right here. So right now I have it. I'm going to apply it right here and attempt to make a withdrawal before you guys. So that is how to do it. Now you know how to unlock the boosters. Now you know how to get it for yourself. If you want to get it for yourself, it's very easy. Just click on unlock boosters and you proceed, and then you unlock the boosters. Right now, let's quickly make a withdrawal. Now, to make a withdrawal, make sure you connect your wallet. I'm still going to show you guys on how I was able to earn this amount. Do not worry. But first of all, I would like to withdraw within this video before you guys. Okay, so right now, if you hit the withdraw button and I type in the amount I want to withdraw, since my limit is about 0.1 BNB, let's withdraw about 0.05 BNB. Then we're going to hit the submit withdrawal. So as you can see right now, I need to perform a withdrawal process, a verification process, and this verification process is very easy and simple. You guys can perform it. We are simply going to do this on the background, then we're going to continue with the video ASAP.
A few moments later.
Okay, so right now my withdrawal is being processed, and I'm patiently waiting for it to send into my wallet address. As you can see, it tells me withdrawal submitted successfully. If you pop up my notification right here, as you can see, I received about 0.05 BNB. Now, this is the easiest way you can actually earn crypto today, simply by mining on your phone on this particular platform. Now, as you can see, I was able to do this because I increased my limit. Currently, I have a 1-day limit of withdrawing about 0.1 BNB. If you do not have this limit in place, you will not be able to withdraw a huge amount. However, you can still go for lower amounts of limits as well. The standard limit here is about 0.001 BNB, which is a little, but you can still earn a lot. I'm sure higher limits will come, like 1 BNB, 2 BNB, 10 BNBs, that will enable you to withdraw as much. Another limit you should also try is this particular limit. So right now, I've showed you guys how I was able to earn about 6,000 USDT from here simply by mining right here accumulating so much returns from my miners, getting limits to enable me withdraw lots of income and have no restrictions, and then withdrawing to my trust wallet just as I showed you. So right now, let me show you guys on how you can hire miners. So for this tutorial, we are going to be going for not much miners because we have already earned enough. Currently I'm earning a little per day, but at least if you check my miners list, you see that I've actually run a lot of miners, about 1,093 900 miners on this particular platform. So right here, we're going to hire more miners just to show you guys on how you can actually hire miners. So hit the hire now miner button, and then you need to type in the amount of miners you want to get. Now you want to get like $100 worth of miners, or maybe a $20 worth of miners, or maybe a $25 worth of miners. Now it is up to you. So for this trial, let's say, since I already have lots of miners and a lot, let's say we are going for probably a $25 worth of miners. So we are going for 16 miners right here, and now we're going to now click on the hire miners button ASAP. Now we're now going to select how we want to make this payment. You can actually make payment via Ton, but I like making payment via other crypto. As you can see, I just withdrew something, so I think I'm just going to use the amount I withdrew to actually pay and get more crypto. So right now, we're now going to hit the other crypto button, get a wallet address, and then we're going to pay in and get more miners. So we're going to hit this button. We're now going to select the crypto we want to use and pay. We're going to select BNB. As you can see, we have been given a personalized amount and also address. So I'm going to copy these two, and then I'm going to head over to my Trust Wallet, make this payment, and it's going to get confirmed. So let's head over to Trust Wallet. On Trust Wallet, I'm going to click on send. Then I'm going to paste in the amount that I copied, this exact amount, and I'm also going to paste in the address. Now I've pasted in the address and the amount, I'm going to hit the next button, make this payment, get my miners, and start earning passively. Okay, as you can see, the transaction has been sent and is currently being processed. I'm going to head back to the Telegram mini app, that is the Mark Miner, and I'm going to stay on it and wait till it confirms this transaction. Right here, it tells me miner activated. Your mining power is live, and currently I received about 16 active miners, and I'm going to be earning about 1.1 USDT. As you can see, previously I was already earning about 0.4 USDT currently, but with this now I'm going to be earning close to about 2 USD passively every single day. I don't need to do anything. The only thing I need to do is to always remember to come back and withdraw my earnings. So this is the easiest way. This is how you can earn for yourself every single day. So make sure you get into this particular platform. As you can see right here, I was able to withdraw. Before you guys, I was able to hire more miners, get more miners, and increase my daily return. If you head over to my view miners history, you'll see my new miners, and within 30 days it's going to expire, and these miners will actively be mining for me. And if you head over to my wallet, you'll see that actually I've been earning from this particular platform, and I will keep on earning. Heading over to my history, as you can see, I've actually cashed out a lot on this particular platform. Now, sometimes my withdrawals do not go through, it gets hanged, but it always gets refunded, and then I can cash it out always. So make sure you get into it, get into Mark Miner. Now, the link to this, the username is down in the description of the video. On Telegram, simply search for machine/official/boot. Get into it, head over to this my menu, hire some miners, withdraw every single day, increase your limit to get a higher limit so you can withdraw at once instead of withdrawing in bits, and head over to the wallet section, hit the withdraw button, and cash out your earning. Get into it, guys. I'll see you guys on our next tutorial.